people, what's up? I'm Dr. Nanita Rai, cosmetic dermatologist, and it's been a long time. I am not online live on Instagram because of my sore throat, which has been there since many days, and I'm treating it. I'm taking proper care of myself, and uh, I was quite busy with my clinic. Uh, Definitely, I have a clinic in Siliguri, and I own that. Me and my partner, Mr. Pushka, we have a new skin clinic now in a new place, but in the same area, Champasari Main Road, Siliguri, just opposite Kali Mandir. And it has been fantastic month so far. We have a lot of festivals in India. We had Dashera in our Sikkim Nepali tradition. We have the Sai, that's Dashera, Durga Puja. So all over India, it's a festive season, and we are offering our patient in Diwali time discounts 10%, 50% according to the treatment and according to what kind of treatment they are actually going for. And we are actually trying to give best treatment to our patients in New Skin Clinic, Champasari Main Road, opposite Kali Mandir. So definitely in my clinic we are having treatments like chemical peels, lasers, um, uh, injectables for wrinkles. We have PRP for hair, a lot more. And we also prescribe medicines in combination with the treatments. So we are actually offering quite the best treatment in all over Siliguri, and we also do OPD in Gangtok, in Usha Enterprises opposite Manipal. And I also prefer doing clinics in Singtam, but sometimes I'm unable to go there because of the road conditions and other situation, but mostly I'm available in Gangtok. And in this Diwali 5th and 6th I will be available in Usha Enterprise opposite Manipal in the afternoon time, and you all can call me before coming. My Instagram message, you can message me, or you can call me on 906-4727-221, which is my clinic number, as well as I answer them, and if I can't, then of course my coordinator will answer. um, so definitely today's topic I want to discuss is hello Panzam Bhutia. Hi, it's nice to see one of my friend here has joined. And definitely today's topic is, actually it's a random Instagram live, I'm recording it. So this message is quite short and sweet. I'm going to discuss about lifestyle, uh, lifestyle, nutrition, which leads to skin and hair solution or problems. Definitely bad lifestyle like sleeping very late, working late night, not having good timetable for sleep, and not having good timetable for eating, and you are always stressed and you don't have proper skin care and self care. Definitely it leads to health problems, and definitely it leads to skin problems like pigmentation, dryness, acne, and hair fall problems. So definitely we all must try to maintain our lifestyle by sleeping on time, eating on time, three times a meal, three times a day. We can take our small meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and exercising. Because after the treatment also I request my patient to apply sunscreen properly, moisturize, and to take good proper diet. Especially if you are vegetarian, you can take soya milk, almond milk, or proper milk, yogurt. If you're not allergic to dairy products, if you're allergic to dairy products and you have got a lot of acne issues, it's better to ignore that and take another plant-based milk products, which will be free of other allergen products. So you can prefer that. And who are non-vegetarians, they can take fish, you can take cod liver oils, and you can have other sources of protein like chicken. And of course, that is not only thing. You can also take vegetables like green vegetable, fruits, and plenty of water, and balance your diet actually with all fruits, vegetables, and proper meal, proper breakfast, lunch, dinner, and sleep well. Proper rest is also a good care for your health, body, which will lead to a proper skin and skin growth, skin glow, hair growth. And exercise doesn't only mean hitting the gym or running here and there. It also means having an active lifestyle. Even if you are working, you can just walk around. If you're in the kitchen, you can just move to and fro, you know and take some rest also. So you don't necessarily go to gym or have a boxing session, because a lot of us, we can't actually have time to do that, or some situation doesn't allow us to pay for that. So we can do is little stretches, little walks. I call it step walks. Baby step walks, we can do that. And have an active lifestyle. You can do chores, uh, just clean your house, clean your clothes. So these are also included in exercises. So you can have an active lifestyle. And definitely vitamin B12, vitamin D is now deficiency, because during this pandemic situation we are staying at home, working from home, and sometimes we don't take value of good nutritions. So that's why vitamin B12, vitamin D, iron, sorry, that's pronounced like iron. So these all things are deficiency in right now in our youngsters, due to which we get acne, a lot of acne, a lot of hair fall, dry skin, and definitely unprescribed medicines which are available easily online, and you can just customize your skin products. These are not good for your skin. You customize yourself a lot of things online and you purchase that. It is a bad habit actually. Just consult a dermatologist or consult a proper doctor, and do little more research, because a lot of girls and boys who are in their 20s don't need any skincare products, don't need a lot of night serums, or don't need any kind of uh, I don't know, some vitamins are available which you don't need in your 20s. Definitely you can have good proper nutrition: fish, chicken, yogurt, fruits, vegetables, a lot of wheat products, or gluten-free wheat products. If you're allergic to certain food types, avoid oily fried food, spicy food. You can take sometimes, but you can avoid most of the time, and take a lot of water, a lot of juice, uh, cut down on caffeine. Take tea, uh, 1 or 2 cups in a day. That's it. Cut down on your caffeine intake also, and stop working late night, stop studying late night, sleep early, rise early. That's a great care that you can give to your health, and definitely to lead to good skin and good hair. And you don't need serums in your 20s. You need serums and other beauty products under the consultation or guidance of dermatologist when you're in your um, late 30s or 40s. When you're going into middle age, you can't actually have back your young skin. That time it's necessary. Otherwise we have facial in our clinic, that's called medical peel. We have our medical peels, that is kind of a facial, but it's not a facial, it's kind of exfoliation of the skin, which gives you rejuvenation of your skin, You can do medical peel after the age of 12 actually, if you are having skin conditions. But if it's dry skin, you're having sensitive skin, according to the good proper dermatologist consultation only, you can go further with that. Otherwise, for acne, definitely 12 and above, you can go for salicylic peel and all, AHA BHA peel for acne prone skin. Otherwise, if it comes to maintenance, and if it comes to just for glow or any kind of pre-wedding ceremonies, or you want some rejuvenation of the skin, then you can actually have normal glow peel, party peel. So these are the treatment that's available in my clinic. Lasers actually you have to take a good consultation, because you can get a lot of pigmentation post lasers, post peel. So mostly after lasers, a lot of pigmentation can come back in colored skin. In Indian skin, we call it colored skin. We have darker skin tone than the European ones, Caucasians. So that's why we need a good counseling for lasers, because we get a lot of pigmentation, because we are Asians, we are Indians, so we have this pigmentation very easily, except for the skin type who are type 1, type 2 are very fair. They don't have pigmentation much after the lasers and peels. So the proper consultation with proper examination of the skin, you can take pills, and according to the condition. So these are the few things which I can discuss today. And other thing is, like, if for hair fall, if anybody will ask me what are the treatment available, I can say prescriptional drugs are there in combination with platelet plasma therapies, where hair growth results are very good. I've seen in many of my patients, the results are like 90-95%. They get proper hair, and good results are there. And good news is they get their gray hair solutions also. It actually prevents gray hair also. But I want to discuss a little bit about gray hair. Gray hair is because of a lot of stress, pollution, lifestyle, the way we are eating, we are living our life. So if we make a little bit changes in our lives, and be a little bit stressful, and have an active life, and take good care of our body, and take proper rest, we get our gray hair back. Actually, it has been studied in in America, in American Dermatological Institutes of Massachusetts University, that if you change your lifestyle, you get your hair back, and your graying hair also turns into your proper hair color. So these are the things. And other things are like for wrinkles, definitely a lot of women who are in their late 30s, 40s, they come with wrinkle, post pregnancy wrinkles, and sagging of the skin. We have natural plasma gel therapy, which I recommend my patients. Otherwise, there are synthetic materials also, which you can go for according to your choice. I will be giving you a lot of options. So a lot of treatments, injections are available for lift, facelift, for body lift, and other parts of the body lift. And these are for aged people who are in their mid 30s and above, not for 20s and also on, because it's not great to take such choice. You should consult first and then go for the therapy. And thank you so much. Many have joined. Hello, Ria. Ria is also joined. And lot more therapies are there which I am introducing to my patients, because we have new revolutionized therapy called plasma gel therapy, which I have introduced in my clinic. And I think in whole Siliguri and Gangtok, I'm the only one who is injecting natural, with the natural, your own blood, and I'm giving you natural therapies for your skin, hair, and the results are very good, I might say, and a lot of patients are happy. So it's Diwali time, and we are offering discounts. You can call 90647272221 or 70700000787 for offers that's available in our clinic. And I'll be visiting Gangtok on 5th and 6th. I will be available in Osha Enterprises opposite Manipal. And Have a great Diwali, have a great life, and stay active, take rest, have good nutrition, because a lot of nutritional problems are there. And uh, take a little bit less stress and have a happy life, because it actually affects your body, it affects your skin and hair. And pigmentation, one of the reasons for pigmentation and acne is uh, stress. So people who are in their 20s don't need much of the stress and serums and a lot of more for skin. It's only required for old people like me and above. So take care, happy Diwali, and everybody stay happy, healthy, and God bless you all. Good night.